Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly before we go fully into it, I will like us to know that everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's look at boom 1000. Let's start with boom 1000. Okay, so this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This actually went on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course got to this region, was unable to go below that, so it started an uptrend from there, got to the same resistance zone, and it was finding it difficult to pull through. Okay, and of course at this point it went above it to get to a new resistance zone, so it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Boom 500 actually went on downtrend right from this resistance zone, but it got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, and of course it started a buy trend again, and it got to the same resistance zone, also find it difficult to break out above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. So this is still selling at the moment, and of course it will keep on selling until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It actually went on uptrend, played around there for a while, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above that, so it's also played around there while it was going back on downtrend. Okay, so right now it is on downtrend, and of course it's trying to sell more at the moment. Okay, so we expect it to get to this region, even if it's going to have a pullback. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset should be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Crash 500 actually went on downtrend, and of course it came to an end at this support zone, so it started a buy trend right from there, but it was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it's having a pullback at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, if it does not break out below this support zone, then definitely it will sell more till it gets to this particular support zone. Okay, so and of course guys, if it does not break out below the support zone, then definitely it will try to get back to this resistance zone, so we should look out for that. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time because of the trend. Okay, so this might change the direction into a buy trend once it is done with the pullback. Okay, so the next asset is volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Volatility, this is volatility 75. It bought till it got to this resistance zone, have a pullback, and of course played around there for a while before going back up, since it was unable to break out below this support zone, so it went back up till it got to this region, and of course broke out from the last resistance zone, and of course guys, to get to a new resistance zone, it's unable to break out from here, so it has started a downtrend at the moment, so it will be selling more right now. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every strategy shared in my videos, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me the thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.